Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. I am Kodani, and if you guys are new, then please do subscribe and click on the gray bell so you get to see me more often on your screen. And if you guys are not new, thank you so much for coming back for yet another video. So today we get personal again, and we're going to talk about my law history and why you should go to law school and what it takes for you to become a lawyer and the misconceptions around lawyers, all that things. So if you guys want to know more and if you just want to hear what I have to say, with like law, people think that like after your degree you are done. That is not how this works. This is a long-term thing. It's a long-term relationship. It's a long-term thing because there are so many things you have to do before you can actually become an attorney or an advocate. And today I'm going to speak on the attorney route because like that's what I'm doing. I want to be an attorney, so I'm going to speak on that specific part. So when you get your matric results and you qualify to do law and you go and do law, your LLB, your Bachelor of Laws degree, that is basically your theory, your law theory. All that like they will teach you there is the basics of the law. Your 4-year degree is basically your theory. After that, after your law degree, you have two options. You can either go and serve articles, which means like you're gonna go out there and try and find a job like in the legal field, wherein like you have to serve your articles. Articles are basically your practicals in the work field. They're either 2 years or 1 year, depending on if you went to law school or not. If you go to law school, your articles can be a year because you have actually learned so much in law school that you only have to serve 1 year of articles. But most of the time, most companies give you a 2-year contract when it comes to articles. So if you want to first do your articles, like you can do them for 2 years at a law firm, straight from varsity, or you can go to law school. What happens in law school? Law school teaches you the practical things about the law. So in varsity, like you did most of your theory, you get to law school, they're teaching you how to draft legal documents, how to ask a witness questions in court, how like the criminal procedures, the civil procedure, the legal account. When you get to a law firm, you're going to be given a principal. A principal is your boss, someone who you answer to. That's the person that actually gives you your task and all of that. Some lawyers might give you the task as well, but that is your boss basically. So when you get to a law firm, you're supposed to register your articles. You are supposed to register them the moment you get there. So you're going to get there, they will assign you a principal. Your principal has to send like your article document that you have to send to the Legal Practice Council for them to actually register you as someone who is working at a law firm as a candidate to become a candidate attorney, like to get your articles. Like different job ads will have different requirements. Like the most basic ones are that like you must have your degree, you must have gone to law school, have a valid driver's license, or have like your own car. Those requirements that I just mentioned are not necessarily always in all the job ads. Depending on like on the company, they can request that you have your own car or not, have a license or not, go to law school or not. Like it depends on like every company, and every company's salary depends on how much they're willing to give you. Also on the size of the firm. So you're gonna have your attorney admission exams, your board exams. In those exams, you're gonna have 4 papers, and these 4 papers are your exams. You can write them either one by one, all at once, 2 by 2, whatever you do. So in those exams, you're gonna have your legal bookkeeping, you will have your court procedures, you will have your general practice and your ethics, and then you will have your wills. So let's say you are done with your articles, right? And you want to now know what happens from then. You actually take your application to court to be admitted as an attorney. Now what that happens, and then like you go there, they give you a date, and you go there on that date, and they get you under oath, and they swear you in, and you become one of the attorneys. Lawyers are actually governed by a code of conduct, and they also is if they don't perform their duties the right way, they are also subjected to a hearing. Sometimes they can be disbarred. So we can't lie in court. We actually study the case. We go to other cases to actually help our clients. We actually go and check other cases that are similar to our clients' cases, and we actually find the best way possible to represent our clients and get the best results possible. We don't lie in court. We don't go to the judge and lie. If you guys like this video, if you like me, if you like what you heard, if this is helpful to you or somebody, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.